Hi, folks. Very nice data point to share with you today. So, this tweet I did recently, this is about the chart is that of Noida Toll Bridge Company Limited. For those who are accustomed or know the relevance of this, Noida Toll Bridge Company was a joint venture with a Japanese company, and it was managing the only bridge that existed between Delhi and Noida, and more were built later on. So this was a highly tolled bridge, and it brought Noida very close to south of Delhi, and that the bridge had its prominent days. Now, what happened during this period of 2007 to 2015 is that the stock used to hover around 20 rupees, sometimes go to 30, 15, and 30 used to be the range, and it almost became like a no-brainer that you invest in the stock, 15-20 rupee stock, and they give you a very nice fat dividend. If I were not wrong, it was somewhere near double digit returns on the dividend yield, and the price also never used to go down. So over this almost decade, from 2005 to 2015, it became obvious sort of investment that if you want to earn 10% with complete safety, because the traffic on that toll bridge is just going up every year, and the tolls are going up, so dividends at least will not go down, and this will continue till eternity. So that assumption was made, and many people I know, I've been in the markets for 30 years now. Many people I know and at that time significantly allocated their capital to this stock, saying that in retirement we can get 10% ROI on this. The rest we can put in some higher risk. And then what happened is that in 2016, sometime, Supreme Court came out with an order. Company had already enjoyed much more toll than what it was supposed to do, and the contract was also, I think, 15 years or 20 years, something like that. That this road needs to become toll free now from here onwards, and that was the collapse of the Noida Toll Bridge Company. It went from nearly 30 rupees to 2 rupees, and then post COVID, along with all other stocks, there was again hope that came along that some lands along the Noida Toll Bridge, where some rights were there for this company, would be monetized, or some story was made up, and that again crashed in 2025. So the moral of the story here is that you cannot have any assumptions in the market that what is happening today will continue to happen forever. You always will need to be on your toes. Things will change very dramatically in any decade, and no one decade will look like the previous decade or the next decade. So this recency bias that we have in our mind, that we've got this set up now, and we can just sit back and watch this churn out dividends for me, will not work. Thank you.